In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transcribe YouTube video to text. It's totally free. So first, I select a video. Which video I want to transcribe? Just click on share button. Just copy this link. So this is my video. Now you need to go on my video description. Then click on the first attach link. So this is a visual AI. This is a drag and drop free. You can convert YouTube video to transcript. This is a YouTube video to text, so you can convert its lots of language: Bangla, English, Arabic, Hindi, Portuguese, lots of websites. Just click and convert video to text. Click here, then you need to paste your YouTube video link first. Okay, just I paste my YouTube video link, then wait only few seconds. Otherwise you can upload a video from your gallery. So my video English language, I select English. So if I want to get another language, just select one, then click on upload. Okay, my work are done. That's it. So this is the method how you can transcribe YouTube video to text using this AI. So if you found this video helpful for me, make sure like and subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.